How to remove the Follow from Shop button in Shopify. The first thing you need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, once you're on the theme page, as you can see right here, I want you to tap on Customize, and this is going to redirect you to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to hover over Footer. Then you're going to tap on Footer. After you have selected the footer section, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see Follow on Shop, and you will see Enable Follow on Shop. You're going to simply untick that. After you have unticked it, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Save. And now the Follow on Shop button has been removed from your Shopify store. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.